Kuwait Air Force, fighter jets, helicopters, and trainer jets list. Fighter jets. F/A-18 Hornet Role, Multirole combat aircraft, in service, 27. Helicopters. Boeing, AH-64 Apache Role, attack helicopter, in service, 16. Eurocopter, AS332 Role, transport helicopter, in service, 5. Aerospatiale SA330 Role, transport helicopter, in service, 6. Sikorsky S-92 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 2. Aerospatiale SA342 Role, scout and anti-armor, in service, 13. Trainer jets. F/A-18 Hornet Role, conversion trainer, in service, 7. On orders. Eurofighter Typhoon Role, Multirole combat aircraft, on order, 28. F/A-18 Super Hornet Role, Multirole combat aircraft, on order, 28. Eurocopter EC725 Caracal Role, utility and transport, on order, 30. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.